Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the fees for a SoFi account. SoFi is a financial technology company that offers various financial products, including checking and savings accounts. One of the main benefits of SoFi's checking and savings accounts is that they generally have no account fees. This means you won't pay for things like monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or minimum balance fees. They also offer a large network of over 55,000 fee-free ATMs through the Allpoint network. However, there are a few potential fees to be aware of. While SoFi doesn't charge for them, a third-party partner might. For example, if you deposit cash at a retail location, there may be a small fee of up to $4.95 per deposit. Also, if you use an ATM outside of the Allpoint network, the ATM operator may charge you a fee. Lastly, for outgoing domestic wire transfers, there is a fee of $30 per transfer. Incoming wire transfers are free. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.